come with me to try an event experience in Clark. So the name of this event is Happening on the Green. Not sure if we do this annually. And there's also a barbecue competition going on. Wow, look at the steaks. There's also a lot of stalls, and then of course my main objective are the food stalls.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, please sponsor us.
Finally, I got my barbecue. Let's try it out. Okay, serving is a little bit small. I know there is a barbecue competition going on, but this is the driest and worst tasting beef brisket I've tried in my entire life. Sausage is a bit better, but also not that good. 3 out of 10 for the barbecue. Let's try Filipino barbecue, it might be better. Wow, so this is a complete opposite of what I've tried a while ago. Juicy, smoky, and very delicious. 9 out of 10 for Filipino barbecue. So most events in Clark are actually free and pretty fun. Bye-bye!